There's 350,000 open jobs right now in the U.S. in the woodworking, cabinet manufacturing, kind of that big blended industry. Those range the gamut from people who like to do technical drawing, people who engineers to design the program, design the furniture or the cabinetry, the people who actually build the cabinetry, operators of high-tech machines.
It definitely opens up a lot more job opportunities. Like, you can go right into the woodworking field after high school, and they also help you get to know some of the people. Like, they bring down business partners every so often, and you get to meet a whole bunch of different like CEOs and corporate people from each of the different businesses.
It helps because it teaches you how to use a tape measure and work with a lot of machinery, and that helps transfer to manufacturing jobs.
Teaches kids knowledge that most people don't even know in today's society.
There are a lot of jobs available right now, and that's the reason the mill was started, because industry knew that there was nobody coming up the pipeline. All those jobs are there because old people are retiring or not living anymore. So they wanted some young talent to come in and start filling those positions. A lot of positions, a lot of jobs have been shipped overseas, and they're starting to come back to the United States now. And that means there needs to be more workers for those jobs. And that's why the mill exists. So if you look out in our shop, if you saw the tools in the shop, there's $3.5 million worth of equipment out there, and none of it belongs to the mill. None of it belongs to Widefield School District. None of it belongs to Peyton School District. It doesn't belong. It belongs to the companies that make those tools, and they put them here because they want kids to be trained on those tools to fill those 350,000 positions.
Computer-like stuff and math, some students like working with their hands. So I think it's essential to have programs that encompass that.
The knowledge you learn with CNC machines and everything, it just gives you more job opportunities that wouldn't be available to people who didn't have the knowledge.
Visits, if you have business cards, you can hand it to them, and you can also manage to get a good talk with every single person you meet, because they love to know the people. And if I remember correctly, about a third of everybody who gets out of the mill so far has landed a job at any of the business corporate areas.
Take it, do it. Come down for a tour. Come visit the shop. You'll be blown away. Like I said, $3.5 million worth of equipment, and you get to use it all. The other part of that is that when you're trained on our equipment, you are almost instantly hireable. So if you want a job after high school, you want to get out of mom and dad's basement, you want to start making money on your own, the salaries for starting salaries are $35,000 to $40,000 a year for an 18-year-old who actually knows how to run the equipment that we're showing you how to run.